Hello everyone. Welcome to our second lesson. In this lesson, we will draw a rectangular prism. First, we need to select a plane again. I am choosing the front plane. I will draw on this plane. I select the rectangle from the drawing tools. Here you can choose where to start drawing the rectangle. I will start from the center. I draw from the origin point and add dimensions. Then, to turn this drawing into a 3D object, I give it volume using the extruded boss, just like in the previous lesson. And our rectangle is ready. See you in the next lesson.